Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just had this absolutely very great price range Volkswagen Golf 1.4. It's the SE NAV. It's got great spec. It's the facelift interior model as well. I say it's just arrived. It's not even been valeted, but it's going to be fully valeted, serviced and MOT'd. Just thought I'd get it marketed. And for the people that are pretty clever and look, there's a bit of trim missing there. That's on order. It's the only thing that's missing. Grey alloy wheels. The paintwork, even though it hasn't been mocked yet, is absolutely popping. Dries fantastic. It's got front park distance control and rear park distance control. But it certainly doesn't look or drive like the Mars, like half of it. You can see it's in a lovely condition. Boot area is all lovely. Got the rear parcel shelf. I do love this colour, it's lovely. It's got all the seats in lovely condition. Carpet mats to the rear. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, so it's got the winter pack. There's nowhere on the seat bolster, like I say, you just would not think it's done the miles. Skin the car, it's done 104,028 miles. Start it up. As you can see, it's a facelift nav. Oh, the aircon's lovely and cold, by the way. Turn that down. We've got the facelift model media system, 6-speed gearbox, different driving style modes as well here. Just in Bluetooth connectivity. Touchscreen satellite navigation just starting up. Centre armrest, auto headlights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, satellite navigation, full media pack, USB, in-car app, park distance control, front and rear audible and visual. Really is very nice. I like this a lot for the price. DJH will offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.